Everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to get your domain name and hosting. In the last video we talked about introduction to website design and everything that you need to know about the website design as a beginner. And in this video I'm going to teach you how to get your domain name and your hosting, which means we've started building our website. Then there are two ways you can get your domain name and hosting. We have the free version and we have the paid version, but I would advise you go for the paid version if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, you can get the free version, and I'm going to teach you how to do both of them. Alright, I'm going to teach you how to do both of them in this video. All you have to do is to stay till the very end of this video. And if you are ready, I want you to comment I am ready, hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, I need you to subscribe. If you have done that, let us continue. So you go to your any browser that you're using, you search for Truehost. Now I'm using Truehost because Truehost is trusted. Like it's a Nigerian hosting company, but it has a high uptime. This is the one I'm talking about here. This one, Truehost. This is the one we are going to be using for this training. So it has a very high uptime. There's what we call uptime and downtime in website design. You know, there are some websites that every day or once in a while they will tell you that the website is down, or it's not working at the moment, or it's improving, all of those things. That it's because the website has a downtime. All right, and some websites you will click on the link, they will tell you that it's not functional at that moment. But this this hosting company, they have high uptime. Lots of websites, I've seen thousands of websites from this hosting company, and it's doing amazingly well. Do you understand? So it's a Nigerian hosting company. There are also other beautiful hosting companies, but then we are using this one also because this one is cheap, and as a beginner you need something that is cheap. Okay, so if you are here, you click on get started. Once you're here, the first thing you're going to do is to sign up for this website. That is to create an account, and to do that you're going to tap this hamburger icon right here. I'm going to tap there to bring out something like this for you. You scroll up. All right, you scroll up and see register here. You click on register. If you have account on it before, you tap a login. You now log into your account. But for this video I'm trying to register so that you know how everything works. So this is how the interface looks like. You can sign up with your Facebook, you can sign up with Google, you can you have to put your personal names and all of those things. So I'm going to sign up with Google. I'm going to put your details as well. So now that I have connected my Google account to it, they say please complete the registration form below. Alright, so here you now come and fill your details. Alright, you fill your name and then the billing address and every single thing. So after filling it, you just have to fill the ones that are compulsory, like these ones with asterisks. This ones with asterisks like this. Those ones are compulsory, you have to fill it. Okay, so after that, company name is optional, you can fill it if you want, and then your city is compulsory, your country, your state, and then your postcode. If you don't know how to get your postcode, just go online or go to ChatGPT and ask it what is the postcode of. You will now put your street or your city. It will bring out your postcode for you. So after that, you can tick all these ones if you want to receive emails from them. You can tick all of those things if you want to be receiving SMS from them. How did you find us? You can choose anyone you want. Okay, You can choose anyone you want. And then SMS number. If you want to put a number that they'll be sending you SMS, and then choose currency. You choose the currency of your country or any currency that you want them to be like you want to use in transacting in this website. After that, you're going to check this box. I have read and agreed to the terms, and if you have time, you can go ahead and read the terms and condition. Okay, where they asked a question, they said 9 plus 2 is equals to dash. You need to answer it as well. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So they just want to verify that you're a human being. So after that, you now click on register, and it will now take you officially to this place. This is how the interface is going to look like. So once you have reached this point, what you're going to do is to tap this hamburger icon here. Tap on it. You're going to click on domain. And you see domain there. So you tap on it. You're going to click my domain, because you don't have a domain here. So it will bring you here because no domain registered with us. So you need to register a domain first. All right. So here now you're going to register a domain with them. Do you understand? So you're going to click on register a new domain. You can see it right here. Register a new domain. So once you click on register a new domain, it will bring you here. Can you see it? Can you see the domains now? So you're going to come here, and then you type in the name of the domain you want. See, I typed in livingseedstore.com. Remember, .com is for businesses, commercial websites. Do you understand? If you're building for a school, you use .edu. You understand? So mind your extensions. All right. So after putting it, I'll click on search. Let me see what it will bring for me. So good, it is available. livingseedstore.com is available, and it is what 15,000 naira. Can you see that? Your own, it depends on the distance that you put in your this. So it is what 15,000 naira. Do you understand? If I want to buy a .com.ng, can you see it is 6,100 naira, which means it is cheaper. If I want to buy a .ng, livingseedstore.ng, it is 13,500. If I want to buy livingseedstore.africa, are you seeing it will be 20,315 naira. .net is 30,600. So it depends on the extension matters also. Do you understand? So let me come here and put .com.net and see how much it will give me. Let me see how much it will give me. Let me search. Very good. .com.net is not available. .com.net domains are currently unavailable. Can you see it? It is not available. But then another one can be available. The living.shop. Let me put .com.shop. Let's see the price of this one. I'm just trying to take time and navigate through everything. .com.shop is not available also. All right. So you can use .com.ng. So .com.ng is available. Can you see? It's very cheap. 6,100 naira. Can you see that? It is very, very, very cheap. It's 6,100 naira. But then livingseedstore.com. livingseedstore.com is what? It is 15,000 naira. It is going to reflect on your own currency depending. So depending on what you want to build now, you can just check for the cheap one since you're still learning. But then when you're building for someone, you explain this thing to the person, you will charge according to the domain name the person wants. Do you understand? So once you've gotten your domain name like this, so let me use .ng. Let me use .ng. Is cheaper. So let me just use that one. livingseedstore.com.ng is 6,100 naira. So I'm going to click on add to cart. I'm going to click on add to cart. All right. That you're adding it to cart does not mean you have paid though. Do you understand now? It doesn't mean that you've paid. Okay. So after adding it to cart, you tap it, then it's going to bring this interface for you. Can you see? You've added it to cart. You now tap it, it will bring it to this place. You can see livingseedstore.com.ng. They said no hosting, click to add. Can you see it? No hosting, click to do what? Add. Now if you look here, you will see they said ID protection. If you want to protect your store, you click here. You understand? Email forwarding, you also click here. Name servers, cloud dome, and all of those. These are names of servers. Okay, anything. Now for you need to add hosting. You just bought a domain, you just added domain into this thing. You are going to click on this no hosting, click to add. You are going to click here now to add your hosting. All right. So if you click on it, it will now bring you hosting. See the hosting prices now. Web hosting starter is 2,500 for this website. Can you see? Hosting pro is 9,625 naira. If you are using unlimited hosting, you understand, is 11,250 monthly. Do you understand now? Remember, we bought our domain yearly. The domain is a year. Then the hosting is monthly. Do you understand now? So you are going to use this starter for now because you are still beginning. So just click order now. Click order now. And you can see it has CMS attached to it. Remember what we talked about in the last video, CMS, which is the protection of the protection of the website and everything. So here say choose a domain, select product, web hosting, web. So register a new domain if you want to use a domain already in my shopping cart. Remember you already added a domain to your cart. So you are going to tick this one and use that domain. Do you understand? Which is livingseedstore.com.ng. So you are going to tap use. If you tap use, you see what it has told you. Say web hosting starter and everything. Now choose billing cycle. Do you want to bill monthly 2.5, or you want to bill quarterly? That is every 4 months they will bill you 6.5, or you want to bill semi-annually, which is every 6 months 12,000, annually, which is a year, is 18,000. So anyone, they selected this one for you. Now if you choose this one, you are going to get free domain. Do you understand now? Like if you choose, that's why they had to select it for you. If you choose annually, that is a year, and pay 18,000 for your hosting, they will give you domain for free, which means you no longer pay that 6,000 for the domain. If you choose this one too, you also get free domain. Can you see it now? And in additional, you get SSL certificate premium. Do you understand? You will get SSS certificate as well. So I'm going to they've selected this one for me, so I'm going to leave it like that, and then I'll tick this. So I'm going to remove that because that one is 7.5. So I'll click on continue. So for a year I'm paying 18,000, but then if I choose just one this thing, I will have to pay 6,000 for the other one and 2,000 for 2.5 for domain and 6,000 per month. You understand? That's about 8,000 Do you understand? You can use that one, but then your hosting will last only for 1 month. Do you understand? So now that you've added your hosting and everything, you are going to choose these ones, and then you are going to click continue. Fill this box, okay? You now click continue. So now that review and checkout, this is where you now have to pay. Web hosting, where I'm using starter livingseedstore.com, and see the price here, 18,000. Domain registration, I've used domain registration. I have my ID protection, which means no one can hack my account. And then the price is 1,500 per year and everything. So um if you have any promotion code, any promo code, just come and place the code here, okay? So, and this is my billing details, Qt Fire, create and all of those things. Now you need to add a billing details if you don't have your billing details. Now, how do I want to pay? You can use Mastercard or Visa. You understand? Then you can use a Visa and Mastercard debit card and pay stack. That is if you want more options. Do you understand? And you can use PayPal. Do you understand? So depending on the one you want to use. So if you have any additional notes, you can add it here now. So after filling all of those ones, you click on I have read and understood everything. See it here. So after that, you click on checkout. So once you click on checkout, it will now bring you to something like this. This is where you will now add your card number. You understand? You add your card number, you will add the year, and then you will add the CV. After adding everything, you now click pay. You understand? You now click pay. So once you click pay, they are going to debit you in your account, and then they will take you to your dashboard. So after putting your card details and everything, they will ask you to put your PIN and everything. You have to put it. Then you come and put your phone number to authorize payment, and you will have full access to the this thing. All right. So now that I've showed you how to get your paid domain, let's dive into how you're going to get your free domain. That's the next one. You've known how to get your paid domain. The second one is how to get your free domain. So to get the free domain, for those who don't have money, you are going to come to your Google your search bar again in any browser. You now you type infinity free.com. Do you understand? This first one here, can you see it here? Infinity free. So you are going to choose this one. This one is free. This thing, free hosting and everything. You understand? So you click on register now. You can sign up with your Google. Sign up with your Google. So you're going to choose your any Google account that you want to use. So you are going to click on create account. Clicking create account, this is where it's going to bring you into. All right, and because this website has free this thing, adverts will be playing, so just manage the adverts. Okay, you can see this one is $0 forever. You don't pay, you get bandwidth, hosted domains, but then there are still disadvantages to it. You can see the ones you have to pay here and other ones. So I just advise you to use this one for the training while you're still learning. But then when you're creating the main website for someone, use a paid hosting. Okay, so you click create now. You need to click create now. So they will say verify, so you have to verify that you are human. So you tap on it. So after that, it's going to bring you here now. Can you see the interface, how it looks now? So you are going to come to this place. This place that says subdomain, then domain extension. Can you see it now? So you are going to type your domain this thing here now. So I use Living Seed Store for the other one, right? So I'm going to use Living Seed Store here again. Living Seed Store. So I will now come to this place. Let me show you something. Remember, we are using .com. So see where I click there, the extension. So you will now have to choose. You have to follow. Your extension has to be according to this one here. You don't have you are not going to choose your own. Do you understand? So you have to choose under these ones that are here. You understand? Because it is free. It's when you are now paying, that's when you're going to choose your own that's different. So because I'm creating for a website, for a commercial this thing, I'm going to use .ksug.com. So I'm using kesu.com. So after that, you check availability, because sometimes it will not be available. Do you understand? So account level website for living seed store.ksug.co. So you are going to, it is available, all right, and remember it is free. So you are going to put your username here. That's if you want. If not, it can be generated automatically for you. Then your email, you're going to select your email. You're going to say I approve. You understand? You're going to say I approve. Then you're going to put your password. Do you understand? You have to put your password. So they are going, just tap on these eyes. They are going to give you a password. If you want, you can use it. If you don't want, you can change it. Okay, put your own password, or you click on this thing to generate another password. If you can remember the password they give you, if not, use your own password. Okay, so after that, you click on create account. Okay, the password must only contain letters and numbers. So let me edit my password. So I've edited my password, and then I said account website for this thing. We are setting up your hosting account. Can you see it? So now that you've done this, your account, very good. It can take up to 72 hours for new domains to be accessible everywhere. You understand? But trust me, in 24 hours, this thing is going to be ready. Do you understand? Your domain will be ready. So I want you to create your own. This is how the free one is going to look like once you have done that. The same thing you did in the other video. So I want you to create your own and screenshot your this thing. You're going to screenshot it, whether you are using the paid or the free one. Once you're done, you're going to screenshot your cPanel and send it to me, which this is your cPanel. All right, you are going to screenshot it and send it to me, and in 24 hours, all right, that is by the next time we are by tomorrow, your this thing is ready, and then we can start building our website. I want you to create your own and send screenshot it and send it to me. Let me see that you've done that. Is that okay? So this is where we are going to end today's tutorial. I will see you in the next tutorial. If you've not liked the video, like the video. If you've not subscribed, subscribe and leave me a comment. Tell me if there is anything that was difficult for you. Just type it in the comment section and I will help you with it. And if you encounter any challenges while you're doing it, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to attend to your questions very well. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.